In this video, we're gonna learn how you can easily create Zengo Wallet account. To do so, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Zengo Wallet application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once the application completes the download and install process, launch it open. The first interface of Zengo Wallet will look like this. Tap on the Continue button and in the Let's Get Started page, go ahead and type in an email address you'd like to get started with. Enter a valid email address that you have an access to. After you are done, tap on Continue. You'll now need to verify your email. Tap on Open My Email. Log into your email inbox that you are signing up with. Open up the email that you received from Zengo and click on the link. After you are done, tap the Continue button on the next page. You'll now need to secure your account with Face ID. Tap on Enable Face ID if you are on an iOS device and tap OK. Now, select how you'd like to get started. You can select any one options from the display. You can start off by buying a cryptocurrency, receiving crypto and NFTs, or simply choose the last option to explore the app. Allow necessary permissions for the app, and then there is how you have successfully created a Zengo Wallet account. I hope you learned how you can easily sign up or create a Zengo Wallet account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell right next to it so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from How to Crypto. I'll be back with more of these quick tutorials again. Thanks for watching.